I just purchased a Princecraft 14-foot boat. It's been outside for about 4 years. It's gonna need a lot, big cleanup and a lot of love. Once a good cleanup is done, the first things I'm gonna wanna do is work on the tilt and on the engine. So here's the tilt that's working. And now, after a cleanup and a tune-up of the engine, let's get it started. I'm happy she started on the first shot. I'm just gonna need some minor adjustments on the accelerator, but the rest looks good. That means we can start building. Here I started by isolating the bottom so we could cut a bit of the noise of the waves hitting the boat. We can start by building the floor. Once that's done, we can proceed to the back deck. And then we can complete with the front deck. It's starting to look like a bass boat. The wood's gonna need protection, so don't forget to give it a nice coat of water resistant. Now we start working on the dashboard. Once it takes shape and form, cover it with some fiberglass. Now it's time to pass all wires from battery to console. Let's not forget to install fuse boxes so you can protect all your electronics on board. I got the navigation and the stern light working. Time to paint the deck with deck paint and sand so it's not slippery. Here's some more advancements on the dashboard. Here are some more pictures of the advancement of the boat. We changed all our lights on the dashboard to be LED and blue. Finally got my chairs installed today and the front chair on deck. All I'm missing on the dashboard is my tilt button. It's on its way. Here's my main battery compartment. Here's my backup battery compartment. Gas tank located under the back deck with water pump. Front compartment to store all fishing gear and life jackets. I installed the trolling engine and some stripes on the dashboard. And this is how I built the 14-foot bass boat. Enjoy the ride. By the way, for safety reasons, the camera's strapped on my head.